PDP Chief Mehbooba Mufti speaks to Times Now, says no power in this world can abrogate Article 370, also adding that the BJP should rather discuss how to strengthen Article 370.
Well, basically, when accession took place, at that time, the leadership of the country assured Kashmiri people, the people of Jammu and Kashmir, that if they will be staying a part of India under certain conditions, and Article 370 guarantees those conditions. So, no power on this earth can take away, Article 370 from the people of J&K state. If you try to do that, if any party or any leader try to overrule the Indian Constitution, they try to overrule the Indian Parliament, then that means Jammu Kashmir will break away from the rest of the country, because it is the bridge that connects you, and then that means you are ready to give the people of the state a chance to renegotiate their future. Right. Is that what BJP is thinking about?
Right. Ma'am, talking of the National Conference stand, we saw that their working committee met this morning. They also condemned it. And Omar Abdullah, in fact, one after the other, through tweets or through, talking to the media, basically slammed the BJP. Do you think that somewhere down the line there is an attempt to really gain political mileage out of it?
Well, it's not about, I don't know, I can't comment whether they are trying to gain political mileage or, but this statement has a potential to cause a lot of damage on the psyche of people of Jammu and Kashmir, who have already been bruised, they are already hurt, they have suffered a lot, there has been so much bloodbath. So I don't think, you need to come up with such statements.